Hey there, so you want to go from this to this. In order to make a Moonpath effect, you need two elements. First one is reflective ocean. In my case, it's a plain mirror with some noisy bumps in it. It can be more complex than this, but remember that it should be reflective when you look at it at sharp angle. The second element is the light that this ocean will reflect. To create it, duplicate your moon, maybe make it a little bit bigger, and assign an emissive material to it. The stronger the emission, the stronger the Moonpath effect. And to remove this glowing blob from your render, go to Object tab, Visibility, and disable everything except Glossy. And that's all. As always, good luck with your art.